Physical Activity's Impact on Mental Health by William Anderson. Introduction. Advancements in technology have allowed us to see a little bit about how the brain works and how it reacts with the introduction of physical activity. Also, we will see a general overview on mental health in children, mental health in adults, and mental health from COVID-19. The mental health from all three will be how it is affected by physical activity. Mental health. The effects on women and their mental health when exercising are similar to the effects on men and their mental health when exercising. The study showed that the relationship of physical activity and mental health have always provided positive effects. There is never a negative effect from getting moderate or vigorous physical activity. Young children's physical activity mental health relationship. Statistics on boys and the effects of exercising on their mental health. The statistics on girls and the effects of exercising on their mental health, and the study done. So for young boys, after exercising, the study shows that boys see fewer peer problems amongst themselves and their group. Statistics on girls reveal that while they do see a decrease in peer problems between their classmates or their group, it is minor compared to the boys. Both, however, see no association with relief emotional problems after the introduction of physical activity. Older adults, physical activity, mental health relationship. The effects on their mind from exercising, positive factors, and quality of life. Older adults generally benefit from exercising. It will never do them wrong. The introduction of it can help to see a more positive lives for themselves, with a better quality of life. However, sometimes physical activity is not the answer to everything. A study done by Walker and Paxton showed that while there was a small effect on depressive symptoms and poor mental health after exercising, the effect was transient, which means it was light. And people who suffered only saw temporary relief. This means that the gym is not always the answer or the outlet to your problems. Mental health is much more intricate and diverse than physical activity. Sometimes you need to get help for yourself to make sure that you will be okay. Do not use working out and physical activity as your outlet to everything. Global pandemic and physical activity. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, many stores closed down. Gyms closed down, grocery stores, everything was shut down for a while. This led people to struggle to find a place to work out. Not many people have gyms in their garages or big areas to where they can get the work done that they need. A study done by Marashi showed that individuals, even after working out in the pandemic, showed decreased motivation and decreased relief. Some also felt like they were losing their strength even when working out in this pandemic. It is very hard for the many people that were not able to exercise to find relief in this pandemic. It shut down a lot of people's ways of relieving some stress. My experience. For me, when I get physical activity, I do tend to feel a slight relief in my anxiety. I also feel a slight relief in my stress. And the effects on me is that it does not always help you and give you all the answers you need, but it does help to relieve some minor symptoms. Conclusion. The PEA-MH relationship has always been positive. You will always see positive effects from working out. It will not harm you. People need to start to help better themselves, better their healths, and better their lives. Thank you.